sticky. How much are we going to use for this? Oh, great! I actually normally use it so low-key. That's good. I'm fine with that. So normally I either do it under my eyes or anywhere else actually under my eyes. And then I'll do just a little dot. And then probably want to make my forehead. My tan, honestly, as you probably see very well, and this is actually not mine. This is my mom's. She actually, she like threw it away because it was like gross and it was like running out. It was pretty gross, and it was running out. I think my mom's, it is so dark tomorrow. It's 10:51. A.M. I actually don't know. Honestly, it's 10. I didn't know it was still right now. Actually, no, because I know it's still at 8. Let me see that. I thought you put makeup on top. I don't know what we're doing today. Honestly. You see that red bump right there? I just hit my door. Actually, how I know this is we were sitting in our room singing, what song? With her microphone, and I said, we're not doing that song. And then I ran into the bathroom. She opened the door. I just ran, so it was me running in, she was right behind me. I was in there, the door's right here, full on, right in my head. I did go home because it started hurting in my head. I was just out of it, honestly. Honestly, someone pulled my eye out. Now it is this. My dog's pretty messy. What is this? Actually, not really. That's because that's not messy. These are. Let me look at the bucket. So I can lift that up.